If you're looking for a next-gen gaming desktop that combines raw power, premium design, and future-ready hardware, the MSI Codex R2 B14NVM7-438US should definitely be on your radar. Powered by Intel's latest 14th generation Raptor Lake architecture and NVIDIA's groundbreaking RTX 5060 graphics card, this machine is built to dominate in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Intel Core i7-14700F. This 14th gen CPU boasts 20 cores and 33 megabytes of smart cache, offering a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and turbo boost all the way up to 5.4 GHz. That's an immense leap in raw processing speed and multitasking efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, video editing, or handling heavy productivity tasks like 3D modeling or software development, this processor delivers smooth and consistent performance across the board. Now combine that CPU with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which comes loaded with 8 GB of GDDR7 RAM. This isn't just a generational upgrade, it's a complete evolution in gaming graphics. The 5060 introduces even faster ray tracing, better DLSS support, and superior thermals compared to the previous 40 series cards. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, Elden Ring, and Fortnite all run like a dream at ultra settings, even in 1440p and 4K resolutions. The RTX 5060 also supports the latest frame generation technologies and real-time rendering enhancements, making it ideal for competitive gamers, streamers, and creators who rely on both performance and visual fidelity. Memory-wise, you're looking at 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at a blazing fast 6000 MHz. This ensures lightning-quick load times, no hiccups in background multitasking, and future-proof headroom for years to come. Whether you're editing 4K footage in Adobe Premiere, loading large game assets in Unreal Engine, or running multiple tabs and apps at once, this system handles it all effortlessly. Storage is another strong point. The Codex R2 features a 2TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast read and write speeds. Boot times?
Practically instant.
Game loading? Seconds. Transferring files or running large software suites? Done in a flash. The massive capacity also means you won't have to worry about juggling game installs, media libraries, or project files. Everything you need fits comfortably. The build itself is pure MSI quality, sleek, modern, and aggressively styled for gamers. The Codex R2's case design features excellent airflow, a clean cable management layout, and is optimized for high performance without compromising on cooling. Inside, MSI's attention to thermal management is evident with precision-placed fans and vents. Even under load, the system remains cool and surprisingly quiet. Connectivity-wise, the desktop supports all the modern standards. You get multiple high-speed USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and fast Ethernet for stable online gaming. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities ensure your wireless devices stay connected with low latency and maximum reliability. Plus, with the included Windows 11 Home, you'll be navigating a sleek, modern UI that's optimized for gaming and multitasking. One bonus worth mentioning is the exclusive gaming bundle. This PC comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse combo included, making it a great value right out of the box. Whether you're a first-time PC gamer or looking to upgrade your setup, this bundle makes getting started seamless. In terms of support, Excalibur PC backs this machine with a full 1-year MSI USA warranty on parts and labor, plus lifetime technical support, which is a huge peace of mind factor for long-term users. Now, who is this PC for? If you're a gamer who demands ultra settings, fast FPS, and buttery smooth performance, this PC is for you. If you're a video editor or content creator who works with 4K or even 8K footage, this PC is for you. If you're a power user or a student needing a future-proof workstation for school, development, or virtual machines, this PC is more than ready. To summarize, the 2025 MSI Codex R2 B14NVM7-438US is one of the best bang-for-your-buck premium desktops on the market right now. It combines Intel's cutting-edge 14th-gen CPU, NVIDIA's RTX 5060 graphics, ultra-fast DDR5 memory, a massive NVMe SSD, and a stylish, functional design that gamers and pros alike will appreciate. If you're planning to invest in a gaming desktop that delivers top-tier performance without compromise, this Codex R2 configuration is a clear winner. From smooth gameplay to lightning-fast workflows, it has everything you need to conquer your digital world in 2025.